Hi, this is our 113 series aluminum electric sliding door. This door has an intelligent system which can unlock the door with face recognition on the outside, and this is the face recognition machine. When the machine recognizes you, and the door will open and close automatically. And on the inside, you can open the door with a button. As you can see, this door has 4 panels. At the top section is a clear glass with integral grills, and at the bottom section is the aluminum panels. This electric sliding door is suitable for the front door of various values, such as government departments, hotels, office buildings, and so on. Thank you.